fried gram gunpowder. To prepare this very tasty gunpowder, you have only 4 ingredients: fried gram, dried red chilies, salt, cumin. In a mixing jar, add this fried gram 1 cup, add red chilies 1 cup, salt, half of cumin seeds. Now make it fine powder. In the end, add this cumin seeds. Mix well. Let it cool for few minutes. Transfer the gunpowder into a airtight bottle. In room temperature, you can store this gunpowder for 2 months. In fridge, you can store longer months also. This is a very nice side dish for lemon rice, white rice, curd rice and upma also.